Welcome to the Self-Care Empowerment series. Let's do one of the most important practice to empower your body and mind, which is going to transform your life for forever. Let's do Surya Namaskar. Always do it with mantras so that it becomes more powerful and effective. Mantras are repetitive energy-based sound. They produce vibrations through chanting aloud or by mental practice or by listening to them. These vibrations have the power to rearrange your molecular structure of your body and mind. Each sound has a distinct vibration so that each mantra has a different effect. All sound affects your molecular structure. All your thoughts, feelings, words and actions impact your consciousness. Think about how certain music puts you into a particular mood, or consider how you feel when there is a lot of noise or when someone is yelling. Mantras are designed to adjust your experience through the subtle vibrations. This will connect you with your higher soul or your authentic power which lies within you. And then hate, anger, fear, doubt, resentment are dissolved. And you will feel love, peace, empower, healthy, joy and happy. Scientifically, when you chant mantras, your tongue hits the hard and soft palate, where 84 meridian points are exist, 64 in the hard palate and 20 in the soft palate. It stimulates our hypothalamus, thalamus and pituitary gland or endocrine system, which releases all the hormones responsible for the function of your body and mind. This alignment allows you to experience this vibration by becoming the vibration. The more sensitive you are, the deeper you will experience the effects. Also, the longer and more focused you chant the mantras, the more impact it will have on your consciousness. So let's start. Let your body relax. Step 1. Yoga Asana, Pranamasana or prayer pose. Mantra is Om Mitraya Namaha, meaning one who is friendly to all. Pranamasana helps maintain the balance of your body and relaxes the nervous system. Step 2. Yoga Asana, Hasttotanasana, raised arm pose. Mantra Om Rave Namaha, meaning the shining or the radiant one. Hasttotanasana stretches and tones the muscles of the abdomen. It also expands the chest, resulting in a full intake of oxygen, thereby fully utilizing the lung capacity. Step 3. Yoga Asana, Hastapadasana, standing forward bend. And mantra is Om Surya Namaha, meaning the dispeller of darkness responsible for generating activity. Hastapadasana makes the waist and spine flexible, stretches the hamstring, opens the hips, shoulders and arms. Step 4. Yoga Asana, Ashwasanchalanasan, equestrian pose. Mantra is Om Bhanave Namaha, meaning one who illuminates or the bright one. Ashwasanchalanasan strengthens the leg muscles, makes the spine and neck flexible, good for indigestion, constipation and sciatica. Step 5. Yoga Asana, Dandasana, stick pose. Mantra is Om Khagaya Namaha, meaning one who is all-pervading, one who moves through the sky. Dandasana strengthens the arms and back, improves posture, stretches the shoulders, chest and spine, calms the mind. Step 6. Yoga Asana, Ashtanganamaskara, salute with 8 parts pose, and mantra is Om Pushne Namaha, meaning giver of nourishment and fulfillment. Ashtanganamaskara enhances the flexibility of the back and spine, strengthens the back muscles, reduces tensions and anxiety. Step 7. Yoga Asana, Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Mantra is Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha, meaning one who has a golden colored brilliance. Bhujangasana stretches the shoulders, chest and back, increases flexibility, elevates mood and invigorates the heart. Step 8. Yoga Asana, Parvatasana, mountain pose, and mantra is Om Marichye Namaha, meaning giver of light with infinite rays. Parvatasana strengthens the muscle of the arms and legs, increases blood flow to the spine region. Step 9. Yoga Asana, Ashwasanchalanasan, equestrian pose, and mantra is Om Adityaya Namaha, meaning the son of Aditi, the cosmic divine mother. Ashwasanchalana tones the abdominal organs, adds flexibility to the leg muscles. Step 10. Yoga Asana, Hastapadasana, standing forward bend, and mantra is Om Savitre Namaha, meaning one who is responsible for life. Hastapadasana stretches the hamstring, opens the hip, shoulder and arms. Step 11. Yoga Asana, Hasttotanasana, raised arm pose. Mantra is Om Harikaya Namaha, meaning one who is worthy of praise and glory. Hasttotanasana stretches the tones, the muscles of the abdomen and expands the chest, resulting in a full intake of oxygen. Lung capacity is fully utilized. Step 12. Yoga Asana, Tadasana, standing on palm tree pose. Mantra is Om Bhaskaraya Namaha, meaning giver of wisdom and cosmic illumination. Improves posture, strengthens thighs, knees and ankles, and relieves sciatica. Thank you very much for sharing your precious time with us. Have a peaceful and prosperous day.